This video here is made for anyone that want a dimmer in their house and don't have anyone to install it. If that's the case, you can call me, or you can install a Philip dimmable bulb. You can go to Home Depot and purchase a bulb. It's the Philips, and they're compatible with your Alexa. So look, Alexa, she's waking up. So I'm gonna focus my camera toward my living room, and I'm gonna say, Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
You see how the light on the tree lit up? I can also say, Alexa, change living room light to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change living room light to red.
Okay.
Okay? So you can put these bulbs in every room in your house, and basically you don't have to go in your wall and change any dimmers or your light switch. You can leave your light switch the way they are. Just change the bulb.